She and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm a New York City based content creator that focuses on food wrecks, travel, and lifestyle. If you've been following me for a while, you probably know me through my food wreck videos, whether it's through here, my TikTok, or my Instagram. But today I will be doing something a little different than my usual videos, and it will be for my packing to Japan. So I will be traveling to Japan in April, which is very soon. I will be going to Tokyo and Kyoto, and my trip will be around 2 weeks. So today I want to show you guys my packing list for my carry-on and my personal bag. So let's get started. So let's talk electronics. So first, of course, I have my phone. And next, I have to have my AirPods. Next is a travel adapter. So I got this from Amazon and it comes in a little cute pouch. And it looks like this. And next is my laptop and laptop charger. A power bank. I have the Anchor one, which comes with this pouch, so I'll just put everything in here. Next is my camera and my camera case. Can't show you guys my camera because I'm using it right now, but this is my camera case. And I have my SD card in here. Spare batteries for my camera. And for these batteries, I'll be putting them in separate plastic pouches or protective pouches to ensure safe traveling. And lastly, I have my pouch filled with my chargers. So I have my phone charger in here. I'll probably fill it up with other stuff soon. And this is my camera battery charger. And yeah. Oh, and of course, my tripod for my camera. So next is personal stuff and documentations, like your passport, ID, and important paperwork. So first, I have this passport wallet I got from Amazon. And what I love about this is that there are so many pockets, and I just like to have everything in one place, so this is great for traveling. Next, I have my wallet. I will probably transfer everything here into here, but we'll see. I do like having everything in one place and just in one wallet. Next is this clipboard folder thing that I will be bringing with me. If you're paranoid like me and always like to plan and have a plan B or plan C, plan D, I like to print out all of my Airbnb reservations, receipts, any paperwork that I feel like I need just in case that I don't have internet. So I like to have everything in here. I'll probably put everything in here just in case and just have it with me. And next, of course, is the book of your choice and my glasses case. Next is a sleeping mask. My eyes are very sensitive to light, so this is super important for me when sleeping on the plane. And last but not least, of course, I have to have a travel pillow. It's memory foam and it's super comfortable. And I like that it's not your traditional one, and you could basically maneuver it depending on how you want to sleep on the plane, which is nice. Next up is toiletries. So let's start off with the most important bag, which is this bag over here. So I call this my liquid bag, following the 311 TSA rule. So this is a 1 quart bag I got from Amazon, and everything inside are my cream, gel, liquid products. That is 3.4 ounces and under. So you are only allowed to bring one of these as long as everything can fit in here. then you're good to go. And in here I have things like my sunscreen, my hand sanitizer, perfume, moisturizer, cleanser. Anything that I have bigger than this, I'll put it in my checked luggage. Moving on to next is my deodorant. I think this is a necessity on the plane. This is a stick deodorant, so this is not considered liquid, so it's okay. And for my girlies out there, especially, you know, if you're in your time of the month, your feminine hygiene products, some scrunchies, and your toothbrush. I don't have a regular toothbrush case, so I'm using my electronic toothbrush case for a regular toothbrush. Next is your makeup. So I have my makeup bag here full of my products, and I have another one which is a magnetic pouch for all my brushes and my tools, and of course face mask. The next and last thing is clothes. So I'm going for 14 days, but I'm planning to only pack 10 outfits, not including my pajama. I'll be in Japan in April, which means I'll pack my clothes around their 60-degree weather, which should be a little warmer compared to what New York City is like right now. Aside from my 10 outfits, I'll also be bringing 2 cardigans, maybe 1 light jacket, just in case it gets cold, and a pair of sneakers, a pair of sandals. That's pretty much it. But that is basically all the things I'll be bringing with me to Japan on my carry-on and my backpack. This is the backpack I'll be bringing, by the way. And if need be, I can always transfer some of my stuff from my carry-on to my checked luggage if I don't have space in my carry-on. But ideally, I fit everything in there because I'm trying to kind of keep my checked luggage a little bit empty so I can have space to bring home some souvenirs, gifts. But yeah, I think that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this is helpful for any of you who is traveling or going to Japan soon, whether it's in a few weeks, in a few months, or in 2023. But yeah, I'm super excited. It'll be my first time going to Japan. I can't wait to film a bunch of content, edit it and upload it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and want to support, you can do so by giving this video a thumbs up or by subscribing to my channel. But yeah, until next time, bye!